Libra, this is your channel messages for the 31st of May. Libra, your channel message is the 9 of Wands, the 4 of Swords, Shark. So Libra, me getting defeat. Me getting something about... Alright, first of all, me getting your panic. Me getting your try to cover your tracks. But the 4 of Swords is... 4 of Swords can be meditation, but it can be going missing. I feel like you did something, Libra, and you swore you got away with it. Me getting you try to cover your tracks. Me getting you giddy, you panicky, and you try to come up with a story. But me getting is like you have so much anxiety, you go missing. So for example, somebody say, hey, can you come over my house to relook a contract? And me getting says something in the contract wrong, and you give them an excuse as to, oh, you can't come, you're sick. You can't make it. Me don't know what catch up with you, but Shark is here. That means it's time to collect. Now, me don't know if you owe somebody money. Me getting you in a mafia business. Cause I feel like you go ghost. Or you pack up everything for take a flight because you owe people money. Me getting something that you never thought would catch up to you, caught up to you, Libra, and you're the Justice card. So I don't know who you were unjust to, okay? But me getting Shark. I don't know if you accept your debt, you accept defeat, and you're like, you know what, whatever I do, I can't pay back the money, so I better just, you know, let me practice laying in a coffin. I'm not sure what's happening. But me getting, you're in a lot of shit. I don't know what you do, or who you're trying to scam. Maybe you're trying to pressure somebody else, Libra, but I'm getting somebody is so calm. So calm. You're trying to pressure someone, and I'm getting someone does not give a fuck. That is where you're underestimating their intelligence. Libra, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Or this could be you. You don't give off. Somebody that tried to stress you. They're trying to use your PII information against you. They're trying to use hackers hacking me to tell me my address. Bitch, I already know my address. Hackers hacking me to tell me that they know about what's been happening where I live. Sweetie, I know what's happening where I live. Duh. The fuck is this? Hackers hacking me to target me that I'm broke. I know I'm broke. You ain't telling me anything that's not on the dark web, sweetie. What the fuck? Let's go ahead and go into reading. Libra. First card, oh, the Tower. Yeah. It could be something about your living situation. Maybe somebody want to get you evicted. What happened? Are you behind on rent, or is the blood clot accounting department thief in it? Which one? We don't know, but what we do know is the Tower card is here. So it could be something about eviction. If this is not eviction, you're getting something about, yeah, you're in a deep shit. I'm getting, you are going to be put out on the street, Libra. And remember, people, even if you owe rent, your landlord can't kick you out. There is a rule in Canada where you can go fight it. And chances are it don't make sense a landlord try to fight it, because the money him going to pay lawyers for going to court for try to evict you, him still now get the rent. Even if that was the plot, even if that was the case. Remember, you can't get evicted for non-violent reasons if your lease don't up. So no make the landlord tell you say how him daughter, sister, auntie, cousin come back, come live, and him need a room. The Tower card. Me getting someone is in big shit, Libra. It could be you. I know who. We also have the Hangman. Yeah, you hang by the foot, not the neck. Me getting you know you're in trouble. Me getting something about a residence. Something about where you live. Yeah, hackers trying to tell me they know my address. I know my address! What the fuck is it? 311 knows my address. Who? 311 knows my address. Bitch, bye. Yeah, something is fucked up where you live. We also have the Queen of Pentacles. Exactly. No, I don't know if this is extortion. If this is scamming, the scammer them there. Scammer them there. Scammer them there. Maybe somebody feel like you have money. And the Queen of Pentacles is usually a humble woman. She don't like to start shit. She can't have that she owes rent on her reputation. It's not owing rent. Them a thief it. You should know that. Or maybe someone's like, I don't want people to think that I'm having problems where I live. Let me pay the bill. Not pay a blood clot, nothing. Knock at them office and go up there, oil your body and go up there. Listen to me. You have to know that you're not dealing with a Canadian woman. You're dealing with a woman from Jamaica. And if you didn't know, Jamaica did start with an X, not a blood clot J. So we're going to X out anybody who is making false allegations on my clitoris. The Queen of Pentacles, yeah, maybe somebody want to extort you for money. Someone's like, she have money. Look how much money she have. She have a lot of money and now your blood clot business. 15 mackerel at my daily bread and me have a big fat bank account. Nobody's business but me own. Just like how when you're broke, you're nobody's business. If you did have money, it is nobody's business. The scammers are trying to target you. This is what this is what it smells like, Libra. We have the Emperor, right? Somebody please call Bill Blair. Call Bill Blair and tell him the atrociousness that's happening. No, the Emperor could also be a landlord. Okay, if it's not the landlord, we're getting a very high political figure. It don't have to be political. It could be so. As a matter of fact, last night, it's which police officer hold on for my head. Last night, I don't know if it's a religious police officer, but me know him did injured, and the police officer did see him black. Where you hold on for my head for? When done accuse me, say I look like a young child. God knows if my head closed. Where you hold on for my head for? Were you praying out of me? Praying over me? Were you trying to pray out the demon? The demon in me. One ghost in my room though, I'll fucking tell you that. I swear, one ghost live here. I fucking swear. But maybe I don't know, were you trying to exercise a demon out of me? Maybe you were like, if I pray too hard, if I pray hard for her in a spiritual sense, she'll stop reading tarot. Sir, God give me the talent. He's never the devil. The devil is just bargaining with me when God is turning his back. One more. We also have the Libra. Hi, Libra. The Justice card. Well, I'm getting you're going to have to answer to an Emperor about some type of living allegation. No, I don't know if you want somebody for moving with you or somebody's name is on a lease. You put somebody's name down. Because I know that when you try to finance a house, the more tenants in the house is the lower the financing will be. Maybe you put somebody's name on a lease, on a mortgage. Not a mortgage. Me getting when you submit the application for buy the house, you say, yeah man, this girl going to live with me. And me getting them to market down since it's 2 people, but me getting somebody never live with you. Maybe you use our name, forget the lease, you use our name, forget the loan, the mortgage. And me getting, if when I try to do something to this Queen of Pentacles, no say, this is not police, you have to take her to court. Know that. This is not no police matter. This is not no eviction matter. You have to take her to court. The Justice card. Whatever you do, whatever Libra doing, or whatever some nasty pussy, jealous, big pussy blood clot, 300-pound bitches in accounting trying to blood clot do, you have to take her to court. Know that. This is not blood clot police. This is not you and landlord. You have to take her to blood clot court in front of a judge. So know what you do. So before you try to be a jealous, big pussy bitch, remember say your blood clot job on the line, slut. Let's go ahead and continue to read it. Because there's a lot of animosity that is not needed right now. The scammer them there. Scammer them there. The scammer them there. Scammers are here. And they're present. The Tower card is clarified by the yes, somebody has tried to make a panic about your living situation. The Tower. Can you see them being thrown out? Or me getting a Libra, you're get thrown out of this building. Me getting out on the street, Libra. I'm getting 129 Peter Street. And if that's not it, me getting you get evicted out. Maybe you claim somebody live with you. Again, you won't be escorted out the building. And hopefully it's in handcuffs. The Hangman is clarified by, see? This is 129 Peter Street. See the fucking homeless shelter and the fucking... This is a church with a dog locked outside. Yeah, Libra, y'all get... I don't know who will get locked out. Because Libra, you show up, the Emperor show up, Queen of Pentacles show up. And all of these people look like very reputable people. So I don't know if some employee who have access, user authorization access to changing where direct deposits go. Cause you for blood clot know that. You for know the way how I make sure say my hand clean or anything. I go with the direct deposits. I don't use cash. I don't wait on a check. It is wired into a bank account if a blood clot know that. So we'll just motherfucking see who is smarter. The bitch who went to school or the bitch who reads tarot. Yeah, somebody will get locked out. Lock the fuck out. And nobody can change your locks. And that's like blood clot go. Make Judge Judy tell you that. The Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, look. The Six of Pentacles, them on them knees. But somebody swear you have money. Why? Can you bathe 2 times a day? Why? Can your skin look good? Can you have good healthcare routine? Can you see no stink? Can you not smell like drugs? She have the Six of Pentacles, them on them knee. This is social assistance. This is food bank. The one little blood clot pentacle you see her with your bad mind or feet. This don't even look like it's a person who works. She look like she stay at home. Six of Pentacles. So you're not even targeting a rich person where you could have made them panic and pay your money. You target almost the homeless. Or you're targeting the vulnerable. You know so nobody have no help and you think somebody's a naive, stupid, uneducated person. But let me tell you something. If there's one thing with the blood clot study other than how for it is patterns. So once you recognize a pattern, you know somebody full of blood clot shit like crab. The Emperor is clarified by the angel. Oh, yes, somebody know that you don't have nobody. You do have somebody. You have the Emperor who is on your side. Me getting the Emperor up on your side. No, me gotta be honest with you. Me don't know if I landlord do this to you. Me feel like I want man will like you who will do this to you. Maybe somebody like when they get irritated. Maybe somebody, I don't know if somebody want you to talk to them, but them don't have a reason for you to talk to them, so they must stir up something. But me getting, doing it in such a fucked up way, it can take legal action, can be taken against you. Me getting something was just supposed to be done for just maybe get you for coming out one office, forget you for talk. Forget you for sit down with somebody, even though somebody know what them doing is wrong, them need you for being in them presence. Me getting it to get out of hand. Or the lie when I tell, yeah, it gonna go to the court, like government are gonna hear about this. Everybody gonna hear about this. And if you know with me, if you don't know already, I'm gonna put you upon blood clot blast if you tell lie for me. I'm gonna want everybody know. So you telling me about my living situation, it not gonna affect me. Cause me make sure I want everybody know. I want everybody to be talking about it. I want to put it on blast. Duh. Well, at least the Emperor is on his side, whoever this Emperor is. And in the reading is the King of Pentacles. Yeah. This is the justice system. Well, the justice system have money. Is the justice system, is the social system giving you something? Because me getting the money now come from you. You have Six of Pentacles. The money come from them. So you're not only telling lie on a resident, you're telling lie on the government. You see, that's what happens when you do what you do in college. You see, had somebody got the money in their bank account, withdraw it and give you, you could have said them no pay rent. If you was waiting on a check, you could have said that. If you're saying that you don't collect rent, you tell lie on the government. You're not telling lie on the tenant. Because the justice call is clarifying King of Pentacles. So now you're jobbed up on the line, all because you're a jealous bitch. You see how that works? You see why envy breeds the worst fucking karma? You see? You swear, say, whatever you're doing, forget this person irritated, it'll affect them. And because them not have no help, them are going to be the one for take all the burdens. You're not tell lie on the tenant, you tell lie on the government. You should fucking know that, but you don't. Because chances are your IQ is lower than the fucking man who fuck you. And left you. You about to lose your job. You about to lose your job. You about to lose your fucking job. Ah! You swear you're stressed out. Bitch, you swear you was stressing out her. Sweetie, I am the government. I'll take it. You tell life on the government. Me make sure cause them ask me. Them say you want me, them say you want me give you the money and you pay. Me say no, wanna pay them. I'm glad me did it. Cause now you tell life on the government. Oh, you must have needed the money for some blood clot. A religious agenda. Yeah, it could be some religious bitches. Some religious scammers. It's religious scammers. We have Aries again. Yeah, me getting an Aries have your back. Or somebody never know you have your head on your body. Somebody did not know what the fuck was up. Oh my god, bitch, you play with blood clot fire. You're playing with fire hole. We have shark. The same money where you claim to people owe for collect. Sweetie, you're going to be collecting your things in a fucking cardboard box and leaving. Them ask me, you know, and them tell me, say, if me get the money in my bank account, me can't claim it upon tax. And I could have used the extra thousands and thousands of dollars in my bank account for claim upon tax. And I say, no, not give it to me. Send it directly to them. So, slut, you not tell lie upon me, baby. You tell lie upon blood clot 311. Go suck your mother. You didn't think that far, did you? Well, that's what happens. That's what happens when you try to come for me. We have Sagittarius. And we also have mental health. Yeah. Here you were thinking that you could fuck with someone's mental health. Sweetie, your mental health is going to be fucked with when you get a call from the fucking government. Whore. I'm going to leave it here because there's a lot of animosity. And there's a lot of aggression that YouTube technicians may or may not appreciate. So I'm just going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.